Chit Chat English.
Phew.
Bless you.
Thank you. I think I'm getting sick.
Maybe you should take care of yourself.
Yeah, I will.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, it's okay. I'm fine.
I was in a hurry. I didn't see you. Sorry again.
No problem. It happens.
Bon appetit.
Thanks, you too.
This looks really good.
Yeah, enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Help yourself.
Excuse me, that bag looks heavy. Let me help you.
Oh, thank you, dear.
It's no problem at all. Are you going up the escalator?
Yes, I am. That's very kind of you.
Oh, after you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Which floor are you going to?
The 7th floor.
Okay, I'll press it.
Thank you.
Let's take a selfie together.
Sure, come closer.
Okay, smile.
Wait, one more picture.
Done. It looks nice.
Hey, can you clean your room? Right now? Yeah, it's getting really messy. Okay, where do I start? Just pick up your clothes first. All right.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm trying to weigh these bananas.
No problem. Please put them on the scale.
Okay, what do I do next?
Now you need to enter the item code. Every fruit has a code.
What's the code of banana?
It's 4011. All right, let me type that in. There you go. Now the weight shows up.
Oh, I see it. 0.85 kilograms.
Yep, that's right.
Do I need to print a label?
Yes, press that yellow button.
This one?
Exactly.
Okay, got it.
Now just stick the label on the bag.
All right. Thanks for helping me.
No problem at all.
Good morning. How are you?
I am doing well.
Good morning. How are you?
I am doing well.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Singapore.
Where are you from?
I'm from Singapore.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Are you fine today?
Yes, I am fine.
Are you fine today?
Yes, I am fine.
How was your evening?
My evening was nice.
How was your evening?
My evening was nice.
Do you know English?
Yes, I know some.
Do you know English?
Yes, I know some.
Do you enjoy English?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you enjoy English?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Can you assist me?
Yes, I can assist.
Can you assist me?
Yes, I can assist.
Where are you living?
I live in Karachi.
Where are you living?
I live in Karachi.
Are you working?
No, I'm available.
Are you working?
No, I'm available.
Are you prepared?
Yes, I'm prepared.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, a bit sleepy.
What is your interest?
My interest is writing.
Do you enjoy songs?
Yes, I enjoy songs.
Do you enjoy cricket?
Yes, I enjoy cricket.
Do you enjoy visiting places?
Yes, I enjoy visiting.
Do you have relatives?
Yes, I have many.
Do you enjoy studying?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you enjoy studying?
Yes, I enjoy it.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
Do you clean your teeth?
Yes, always.
Do you clean your teeth?
Yes, always.
Do you rinse your face?
Yes, I do.
Do you rinse your face?
Yes, I do.
Do you shower?
Yes, I shower.
Do you shower?
Yes, I shower.
Do you have breakfast?
Yes, I have it.
Do you have breakfast?
Yes, I have it.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have toast and tea.
What do you have for breakfast?
I have toast and tea.
Do you attend school?
Yes, I attend.
How do you reach school?
I go by car.
Who is your close friend?
My close friend is Ollie.
Who is your close friend?
My close friend is Ollie.
Do you practice English daily?
Yes, I practice.
Do you practice English daily?
Yes, I practice.
Do you complete homework?
Yes, I complete it.
Do you complete homework?
Yes, I complete it.
Do you enjoy games?
Yes, I enjoy them.
What is your preferred game?
My preferred game is tennis.
What is your preferred game?
My preferred game is tennis.
Do you assist at home?
Yes, I assist my father.
Do you assist at home?
Yes, I assist my father.
Do you prepare food?
Yes, at times.
Do you prepare food?
Yes, at times.
Do you tidy your room?
Yes, I tidy it.
Do you own a phone?
Yes, I own one.
Do you enjoy YouTube?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you enjoy YouTube?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you study books?
Yes, I study them.
Do you enjoy tales?
Yes, I enjoy tales.
Do you compose daily?
Yes, I compose.
Do you compose daily?
Yes, I compose.
Do you enjoy painting?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you enjoy to sing?
Yes, I enjoy singing.
Do you enjoy to sing?
Yes, I enjoy singing.
Do you move?
Yes, I enjoy moving.
Do you have tea?
Yes, I have tea.
Do you have coffee?
Yes, at times.
Do you have milk?
Yes, daily.
Do you enjoy fruits?
Yes, I enjoy them.
Do you enjoy oranges?
Yes, I enjoy oranges.
Do you enjoy grapes?
Yes, I enjoy grapes.
Do you enjoy papayas?
Yes, I enjoy papayas.
Do you enjoy bread?
Yes, I have bread.
Do you have vegetables?
Yes, I have them.
Do you have chicken?
Yes, I have it.
Do you have seafood?
Yes, I enjoy seafood.
Do you enjoy candies?
Yes, I enjoy them.
Do you have water?
Yes, I have water.
Do you feel thirsty?
Yes, I feel thirsty.
Do you feel thirsty?
Yes, I feel thirsty.
How is the climate today?
It is cloudy.
How is the climate today?
It is cloudy.
Is it warm today?
Yes, quite warm.
Is it warm today?
Yes, quite warm.
Is it chilly today?
Yes, quite chilly.
Is it chilly today?
Yes, quite chilly.
Do you enjoy rainfall?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you enjoy rainfall?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you enjoy ice?
Yes, I enjoy ice.
Do you enjoy hot season?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you enjoy cold season?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What day is this?
This is Tuesday.
What day is this?
This is Tuesday.
What hour is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
Do you have a watch?
Yes, I have one.
Do you have a watch?
Yes, I have one.
Do you visit the garden?
Yes, I visit often.
Do you visit the garden?
Yes, I visit often.
Do you visit the museum?
Yes, at times.
Do you visit the shop?
Yes, weekly.
Do you visit the bookstore?
Yes, I enjoy books.
Do you visit the clinic?
Yes, when ill.
Do you visit the shore?
Yes, In hot season.
Do you go by bus?
Yes, I go by bus.
Do you go by bus?
Yes, I go by bus.
Do you go by rail?
Yes, I enjoy rails.
Do you go by rail?
Yes, I enjoy rails.
Do you go by vehicle?
Yes, at times.
Do you go by vehicle?
Yes, at times.
Do you move to school?
Yes, I move.
Do you move to school?
Yes, I move.